As much time as you're probably going to spend inside of Bridge, I think it kind of makes sense to make it your own. Rearrange the furniture. Put the panels together in a way that you want. Now, we've got ways up here to change things. I can go into Film Strip, for example. I like that one because it gives you that really big preview. And so that's one you might want to use. We've got one that's focuses on metadata. You got a lot of different ones up here. Now, you might not see exactly what I see up here. You might see more, or you might see less. This little tab right here, if you click on it, you can move and change what you see. So if you want to see more of these, you can go this way with it. You even have one called Light Table, which I do use a lot too, because it kind of gives you everything, kind of like a contact sheet. So let's go back to Essentials for a sec. Let's make our own. Now, I like a bigger preview, but I've got a lot of stuff going on. I've got this area over here, and I've got this area over here. Let's do some moving. I'm going to take metadata, and I'm going to move it up here. Now, what I'm doing when I do this, see that line come up? That means you're going to move it into that area. And I'm going to move keywords over there too. Just wait for that blue to happen. Okay, now they're both over there. I'm going to take preview, and I'm actually going to move it down here. Now, we don't need this space anymore because I took everything out of it. So we're going to drag right here and move it all the way this way. And then we'll take this part right here and we'll move it more this way. And then we'll go here and move it that way to get a, well, if you want, a bigger preview. So we've created our own space. Maybe we don't use it all the time, but every once in a while we want a space that gives us this nice big preview. So we want to save it. So we go up to the word window on the pull-down menu and go down to Workspace. Tell the computer you want a new workspace. Now we'll give it a name like Andy's Space, because I need my space. We can save the window locations as part of the workspace, and you can even save, we haven't gotten to this yet, the sort order that you're using. So some of your workspaces could be actually predicated on sorts. Click Save. There it is. It'll come up here in this list. We go back to Essentials, or like I said, I do like Film Strip. That's a nice one. And we need Andy's Space or yours. Just go ahead and click it. It's a very easy thing to do. But like I said, with the amount of time we're spending here, it makes sense to put the furniture and arrange it in a way that we like. On to the next.